Total values in Power BI can feel like magic, except there's no wizard, just logic. They help summarize large data sets efficiently. However, different functions calculate totals differently, making it essential to understand their impact. Context plays a huge role in ensuring the accuracy of these values. Power BI offers several aggregation techniques, and knowing which one to use is like choosing the right tool for the job. Hi everyone, I am Catherine Scott, and for over 12 years, I have helped businesses like yours harness the power of ERP systems to unlock their full potential. Today, I want to walk you through how our solution doesn't just meet your needs, it anticipates them. Think of it as your business nervous system, intelligent, responsive, and always working for you. Let's dive into the technical magic behind it, because when you understand how it works, you'll see exactly why it's a game changer. Aggregations in Power BI are like meal prep for your data. Get things ready beforehand to save time later. They optimize performance by reducing the dataset size, meaning queries run faster. Pre-aggregated data helps improve speed, so you're not waiting for calculations to finish while sipping coffee. Picking the right aggregation method is like choosing between a blender and a knife. It depends on the task. The SUM function is the basic math of Power BI. It simply adds things up. Whether it's revenue, expenses, or the number of donuts consumed in a week, it gives you the grand total. However, context matters. If you sum up values without considering filters, you might get unexpected results. And remember, SUM is great for columns, but isn't the best choice for row-level calculations. SUMX is SUM's smarter cousin. It doesn't just total numbers, but also applies logic at the row level first. Think of it as counting apples only if they are ripe rather than counting all apples blindly. It's a great choice when you need calculations across multiple columns. If SUM is the simple calculator, SUMX is the one with extra features. Let's talk about Summarize, a lifesaver when you need custom totals in Power BI. First, it groups data beautifully, letting us analyze it better. Then, it gives us the freedom to apply calculated totals exactly how we want. But beware, using it without proper context can lead to some very, very wrong numbers. And trust me, nothing ruins a good dashboard like numbers that don't make sense. The dreaded incorrect totals, every Power BI user's worst nightmare. These usually sneak in when filters or calculations go rogue. That's where Calculate and SUMX step in, like superheroes rescuing your numbers. And don't forget about row context. It's the little detail that makes a big difference. Fixing these ensures your reports actually make sense and don't send your boss into a state of confusion. Ever looked at a report and thought, where are my totals? That's where matrix visuals come in. They neatly group data hierarchically, making your reports look polished. The real magic happens when we use custom measures. Goodbye generic numbers, hello meaningful insights. And if you really want to impress, conditional formatting helps highlight those crucial totals. Because let's face it, boring reports are SO last year. Alright folks, we've covered a lot, and now it's time to tie it all together. First, let's remember the key points we discussed. These are the gems that will help you move forward. Second, if there's one thing you should take away, it's this. Make it actionable, make it count. Third, knowledge is great, but applying it is what truly makes a difference. So go ahead and use what you've learned. And finally, here's my parting thought. Learning never stops, so keep exploring and growing. Thanks for sticking with me. If you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel.